This is Builth Road Railway Station in Paris, mid-Wales. It's one of the stops on the Heart of Wales line. It lies about 2 miles from the town of Builth Wells itself. The town used to have its own railway station lying on the Mid-Wales line, but that closed in 1962. The Heart of Wales line runs between Llechryd and Shrewsbury, running via Craven Arms. Builth lies in between Kilmedy and Llanddynod Wells. Prior to COVID, it saw around 7,000 passenger journeys a year. On weekdays there are 5 trains in each direction. However, during the Royal Welsh Show, the showground line not very far from Builth Road, there are extra trains and buses taken on to get the passengers to the showground itself. The station was opened by the Central Wales Extension Railway in 1866. Before privatisation, it was operated by the London and North Western. When Builth Road Station was opened, there already was another railway nearby. This was the Mid-Wales Railway, and the station there was known as Llechryd, later renamed as Builth Road Lower Station. However, it closed in 1962, having opened in 1864. The old goods shed at Builth Road still stands, and there's a terrace of houses that used to be used by the railway workers. The buildings of Builth Road have become a private dwelling. Lower down, where the old station used to be on the Mid-Wales line, the station building is now the Cambrian Arms Bed and Breakfast.